Hi, hi everyone. My name is Felipe Portela Martinez. I am currently studying multimedia engineering for the course CAD modeling. My tutor is Javier Reina, and my number group is 5. For this video, I will explain the creative process with the task number 1 that consists in draw of some figure that I choose and draw the orthogonal views, and I will show you the that I choose the Spider-Man, this object, his figure, the superhero in a strange pose, but after taking some photos and using the AI, I will correct that pose for start drawing, and this is the result. Like a pose, I will start to drawing. I will show you the creative process in this video. We'll start removing the background and Adobe Illustrator. I use for this task this software because I like it and is easily to for me to draw in this software, and the time for this activity is so short and I try to do my best. In this moment I will put in some different guidelines uh, for the head, for view the correction with the AI because the the head of the arms are different, uh, but I after that I will create a new layer and reduce the opacity to 50 and try to draw a symmetrical object because the head are little moved to one side. So I try to draw a oval and correct with a pencil. I will try, and in this moment I am correct may apply some different corrections. um, in this moment I will trying to draw the eyes with the because in the photo are doesn't clearly the form of the eyes because are rotating a little bit. With the help of some guides I adjust the size and try to do symmetrical with the other one. In this moment I am drawing the outline starting to the neck, after the arm, the fingers. In this moment I drawing the legs, the muscles. Well, in this part I am finished the the outline, the whole body. I am starting to correct the drawing with the fingers. For this moment I am drawing the separation or the of his uniform because are uh, some part are in black like the back leg, the back arm, and the waist. I found the spider logo, the chest logo in on internet. I use a tool to redrawing or making the outlines of the spider and only put in the center. If you see the spider with the outlines, the photograph are a little bit rotating or are have some mistakes, and I try to fix that to to do symmetrical or centered for the next steps, for the next task, or to introduce the 3D Max. Uh, In this part, I am drawing the lines of the hands. Look that. I use some lines to draw the other views, like the side view, the back view. Look that. I am correct. The belt of back. Mm, I'm apply some corrections with the hands. If you see the some lines, I used to I try to project some different points to reconstruct the side, all the views, the side view, the light view, the back view, and making a measures. I um, I can reconstruct the all the views, and I have that. I download a photo to have idea to how to reconstruct the top view, because it's a little bit complicated, because I don't know, because I have some different parts, but you don't have the whole reference, because I the in the actual figure are, if you see, I take a photo, but the top view are so different, and I try to use AI, but policies, and we can do the regenerate that image, because is a superhero and have a brand, and I apply that the technical drawings, make it some different points, and try to reconstruct the view, like the head, the shoulders, the arms. I try to draw in this moment the head, and I will show you. I try to difference all the guides, because it's a lot with colors, like the red in this moment are the arm, the hands. The white ones are the shoes, and do the some different groups of the guidelines by colors to difference which part are in these references. I try uh, to take a lot of measures, because to have a reference, and try to consolidate the the height, the weight. In this moment, I try to draw the the feet. Let me show you more advanced. I draw the chest, the line of the chest in the top view, and if you see a little circles, semicircles for the shoulders. Uh, I draw with in I draw in this software by hand what sound is the circles in the if you see the blue circle are the sound for the hand, and in this moment I taking measures for my reference are the back, the the gluteus. I don't know how to say it, cola. Mm, and how, this is my line of reference to start taking all the measures from that line to the all the different vertices, and the final result is I am correcting the hands, I'm correcting the perspective of the eyes, shoulders. I am correctly making corrections with the shoulders, the back, the chest, the back, and after that the shoes, because the position of the feet are so strange. Uh, and after that, I'm making a perspective for the eyes because they have a big. The mask has a big eyes with a triangle or the ending like in points or in triangle. And look that I project the logo, the back logo, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.